So first thing what we're doing is undoing the filter housing. It's a 20. I haven't got a 20.
Do not ever do it like this, Dick.
I think I'm gonna need to use two hands. So excusez-moi. So just, you know, untie it that way basically.
Ever, as it will fuck your car up.
You don't want to do that shit here, so you really need a socket to do this. So I'm gonna go and buy a socket. I think it's 30 or 32 millimeter. Because I want to show you guys how to do this shit properly, not to mess your car up. Look, already scuffed it a bit. But yeah, so we'll come back to it on Monday. Peace, G's. Patience is the virtue. But yeah, so we'll come back to it on Monday. Peace, G's. Patience is the virtue. Okay, guys. Very important lesson in life. When you start something, you need to finish it. You know, I tried to do that oil change yesterday. I couldn't get the cap off. Well, it looks like I did manage to get the cap off because it's fucking pissed oil everywhere out of it. So yeah, you need to make sure. Hiya, Sandra. You need to make sure that this, oh yeah, it's tied on properly. Well, let's go and do the oil change now. Okay, so now we have a 32. So we've nearly, because we rushed, nearly fucking ruined the car.
But we definitely ruined the fucking cup.
Oh. Yeah, it was pretty tight, but not tight enough. So we need to make sure it's all very tight when we take the oil out. Oh fuck, I forgot the jack. Some bolt is just there. Let's undo it now. It's coming out nicely. So then you must replace this copper ring here. That is essential, otherwise it will piss out. So this seal comes off and you need a new one. This one here. And you should have got it in your kit. Okay, don't put it all back together yet. Let's put the oil in first and see if anything's leaking. And the oil doesn't look too bad.
Now usually this would finish the process and you could give yourself a pat on the back. But instead of a pat in the back, the disaster had struck.
And fucking oil is pissing out of there.
Another good lesson to learn, brothers and sisters. I fuck up so you don't have to. Never use a shitty spanner to take off this cap because it is very, very fragile and will split. Always use a socket.
A hole was made using a shitty spanner and now it's so fucking leaking out. Fuck! Well guys, at least you've seen with your own eyes what happens when you don't have proper tools. So we've cracked this somehow.
somehow are you a complete fucking idiot? Do not ever do this, guys. Ever. Anyway, of course I will show you how to fix that shit. So don't you worry, honey bunny. Fuck it. Meanwhile, back at the base.